The next video. In today's video I will show you how to share our location as well as how to reset the map once the user has stopped tracking his location in our distance tracker series. So yeah, let's get started. So first I will show you the output. So if you see over here, what I will do is I will just press the location button. I'll select the route, play it at 5x. Okay, I will play the route. Then here I will press the start button as well, so that it will start tracking my location. So here you can see that it has started tracking the location. Now if I press the stop button, so I will stop the route over here. I will press the stop button. So here you can see once you click on the share button over here, you are able to share with any of the app. Like we are just sharing the text of how many kilometers you travel in how much time. And also if I dismiss that modal and if I click on reset, here you can see it removes that location list as well as it navigates to the user's current location. So yeah, let's see how to do that. So first, inside your result fragment, all I have done is that I have created the share button and initialized it using find view by ID over here. Then I have added some click listener to it, and inside the click listener I am just using an intent, and the intent action is sent and of type of text / plain. And here you can see the text which we are passing is the distance in whatever time the user has tracked, and here we are just calling start activity. Next, inside maps fragment, what I have done is I have added two things. One is the polyline list and another is the fuse location provider client. And inside over here I have added a reset button click listener. So here we are calling map reset. I have also initialized the fuse location provider client. And if you see the map reset, before map reset, here you can see we were getting the polyline, but we were not adding to any list. So we will first add it to our polyline list, and inside the draw polyline method and inside map reset, which is the new method I have created, we are adding an on complete listener, and from that we are getting the last known location of the user. Then we are removing all the polylines which are present inside the polyline list, then animating the camera to the user's last location. We are clearing our location list, we are hiding our reset button, and then we are showing the start button over here. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.